You guys, welcome into the Trade by Design Discord. So if you're watching this video, you probably already got your broker set up. You've already been added to our exclusive private trading community with Trade by Design, guys. We already have over 1,400 members. In this video, I really want to make sure you guys are set up correctly with step-by-step what you should be doing right when you guys get involved, right? A couple things that you need to know within the community, right? How to take advantage of it, how to be able to make money with it, with us, and just to be able to take advantage of everything that we have going on over here. So right on the screen, right, we have the Trade by Design Discord, right? There are a couple extra chats that you might see here versus what you'll see when you guys are in. But I want you guys to also pull it up on your end, right? Grab a notebook, write down launch, right? This is going to be your quote-unquote launch to getting set up. After you guys, of course, have already set up your broker. If you guys haven't set up your broker, MagnoFX, there should be a video. I'll probably link it below on how to deposit. Most likely, you guys are already in it. So if you guys are already in the broker, amazing, fantastic. Right now, you should already be in and deposited and also added here. So right here on the left, just first things first, right, on your piece of paper, the first thing you want to write down is the community chat. So we have something called the global trade chat, right? So this is going to be where you guys are going to be able to conversate with, again, 1,000 plus other people. So this is today, we have chart markups from John Guaman, which this is his only account. You might get fake accounts. Actually, you will probably get fake John B. Guaman messages that don't look like this. Unless it looks like this, it's not him. Same thing with my account as well. You'll probably get fake accounts. If it does not look like this, if it does not have this animation, it's a scammer, right? We have people that sneak in to my Discord, Wealth Wizards, and then also somehow into Trade by Design that will message every single person that joins and try to make small talk with them, ultimately scamming them. So first things first, don't get scammed. We're not going to message you. We're not going to ask you guys for money, right? But global trade chat, community chat, guys, in here, I want you guys to be able to conversate, go in here, talk, talk with other people, because everyone in here is like-minded like yourself, right? They want to trade. A lot of people already have experience. There are people in here who have already made multiple six figures trading as well. And there's also people in here that are brand new, maybe like you. Maybe you are brand new with trading, and if you are, fantastic. This is going to help this video. If you aren't, fantastic. Still watch this video because I want you guys to see everything that we have within the community, right? So number one, global trade chat, amazing. It's there. I want you guys to be in there. If you right click on it and you click notification settings, you'll actually see, or if you hold it down, if you're on the phone, or if you're on the computer, you right click on it, you'll see notifications, right? So what I would do is I would put mentions, right? So that you at least get your notifications from mentions, right? You can do all messages, but it might be a little spammy for me. I just have it off just because I'm on the computer here. On my phone, I do have them on, of course. So global trade chat, guys, get active in here, introduce yourself, etc., right? Trading is, yes, it's a solo journey, but being able to have a support team, being able to have a support system of other like-minded traders in the community that you know and that you're able to talk to and conversate with and ask questions with, right? It's going to be very, very, very helpful, right? Second thing I want to go over here is the trade ideas section, right? The trade ideas section is actually really, really, really unique, right? It's open to everybody in the community. And basically what this is, it's a way for you to be able to see what educators are actually trading, when they're buying, when they're selling, their entry point, their stop loss, and their take profits, right? So real quick, what I would do, what I would do is I would right click here, notification, I would do all messages. You want to be notified on all messages, I would say. There's not going to be any mentions in here anyway. So you're not going to get they're not going to be tagging you anyway in there. So of course that's not really going to do anything. I would just put your notifications as all, right? So in here, you're going to get trade ideas. So for example, this is an early trade idea, 5 a.m. Gold, buying, entry zone, stop loss, take profit, 1, 2, 3. And take profit, 1 hit, right? If you go up here, these are just the most recent ones. Yesterday, 9 a.m. Gold, entry, stop loss, take profit, 1, 2, 3. Take profit, 1 hit, 50 pips, take profit, 2 hit, 100 pips, take profit, 3 hit, 150 pips. Right, if you don't know what a pip is, I'm going to show you guys where to access the learning modules of the trade by design as well. So, but I'm just showing you guys examples real quick. Again, up here, yesterday, 5 a.m. These are earlier signals. Sometimes they're later, sometimes they're earlier. It just depends on what the markets are looking at. Like gold selling, take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hits, 75 pips. Right? If you keep going up, you know, you're gonna see take profits. You know, it's just like selling, take profit hit, fantastic. You know, obviously it's not going to be something that you go in here and you copy paste profit all the time, but it is a way for you to be able to see what other people are looking at and be able to, you know, use your own analysis on it. Guys, there's no way, shape, or form this to be number one financial advice, but also number two to be something that you rely on fully to making money, right? I don't think you'll come in here and make 50K a month by just doing this. But you might come in here and make a couple $100 here and there, a couple $1,000 here and there by copying these signals. You could. Not financial advice. Everything is educational purposes only, of course. But you guys get the gist, right? Trade ideas going out every single day on what's being traded. And you guys could see this has gone on for some time here, which, you know, we've been doing this for some time. So you're going to have access to this. I would always keep an eye out for this, which is really, really good stuff. The third thing, so number one, we have the community chat, right? Write it down, conversate in there. Number two, the trade ideas, turn your notifications on so you guys are seeing other people, other trade ideas. Number three, and I'm going to go into the educational stuff after, but number three is going to be the trading results. So the trading results section is going to be a really good section for you to go in and drop your trading results and also to be able to see other people in the community winning. Right, you're going to be able to come in here and see this guy. I think his name was B Dokes. I don't know what his full name is. You can see plus 500, plus 50. Fantastic, right? You scroll up, you see Christian over here. He's up $196. Tucker, he's made some money here. Armando, he's up a little bit here as well. So there's a lot of different profits. There's a lot of different people that are in here dropping different trades. That they did profit. This is supposed to be more of like a motivational center. Obviously, motivation is baloney, but just for you guys to be able to see, like, okay, you know, there's other people that are in the community. There's other people that are winning. This is mine right here. I had two 25 3K withdrawals ish in total. It was around 5K total. Anarchy's been killing it. Mike, my guy Mike, $80. You know, this is just for you guys to be able to come in and get some motivation, you know, be able to get some, you know, see some other results that are happening within Trade by Design. Look at this one. This is actually my trading calendar for last month. For May, we did a flip challenge. We're going to do another flip challenge again, but 15K P&L, 93% win rate. You can see I only traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of the entire month, but I was able to profit 15K off. I think it was a 10K account. But you guys could just scroll up here. You guys could see dozens and dozens of results. So, you know, you could see that there's other people winning. Now, we have the global trade chat, trade ideas, trading results. If you have some results, throw it in there. If you guys are new or you guys need a refresher or you guys just want to go through another course that's complimentary to you for being inside this private community, right up here, you can see educational resources. Right here is going to be your weekly schedule for live sessions. Right here is going to be your weekly schedule for live sessions. Right, so live Zooms or YouTubes that are going to be here dropped in the global trade chat. Right, we have Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern. I want you to put these into your calendar. Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, open to everybody. Tuesday, 9 a.m. Eastern, open to everybody. Tuesday, 9 a.m. Eastern. If you're able to hop on that for New York session, fantastic. Tuesday, 8 p.m. is going to be separate. Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern is going to be free, open to everybody again. So Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, I want you guys to throw these in your calendar, because if you guys don't have them in your calendar, then, you know, you're just not serious to begin with. So go, throw them in, looks like this. Put it so it repeats every week. Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, and then the last one is going to be Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern. So you have 2 New York sessions, Tuesday, Thursday at 9 a.m., and then you have 2 Asian sessions, Monday and Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. So put those into your calendar, write that down, that's part of your homework, right? And now to go into the academy, the learning modules. If you guys are new, or if you guys need a refresher, or if you guys want to learn and double down on your skills, there's an entire FX course here. So you would go here, click FX course, boom, click access, click visit site, and I already have the site pulled up right here. Fantastic, awesome. So right here, you're gonna be on the WAP, right? It's gonna show trade by design. So you wanna sign into your WAP. It's gonna, that link, when you click that link, it's gonna bring you to a site. It's probably gonna have you join it. It's free, just join it for free. And then on your WAP back office, you're gonna see something like this, right? It's gonna show like this, home, chats, apps. You can see 2,400 people have joined. But over here on the left, you're gonna see TXT community. There are some other things. These are additional indicator packs, core education system, execution system, and then TXT to Vault. These are separate, but right here, trading masterclass. I want you to click on this. This is super important. Super, super, super important for you guys. It honestly, if you're not profitable, just do it. Just go through it. Doesn't matter how long you've been doing it. If you're not making profits, if you're not making the income that you want to make, it does not hurt to go through a course from somebody named John Guaman, who's been doing this for over 10 years and has made millions, to probably over $10 million, right? So this is super important, right? Fast start trading. I would just go through all of these. Fast start trading guide, how to make an extra 10K a month. Full FX course is going to be the main thing I'm going to go into here. But again, these are all complimentary sessions and value. How I made 25K in 1 week, how to make $1,000 in a day, how to take a signal, best trading view tutorial, that's huge too. So watching that trading view tutorial, crypto A to Z beginner course, strategy, and then most important video. So these are important. Main thing is going to be this full FX course right up here. Right, so this full FX course right here is going to be the main thing that you want to go through. But try to bang all these out. That's going to be your guys' homework. That's every single person's homework if you guys are getting set up with us. If you guys are watching this video, that should be your homework. If you're not making 5K, 10K a month at minimum, like just at the bare minimum, just go through it. It does not hurt to go through it, guys. Education's everything. Ignorance is a choice in 2026. And, you know, this is just free value that we're giving out. So the main thing, again, to emphasize is going to be the, right here, full FX course A through Z. Now, within this full FX course A through Z, you're going to get a lot of good things here, right? A lot of good things. What is traded, types of traders, market sessions, choosing a pair, market analysis, technical analysis, placing a trade, lots and pips, risk management. These are probably the two most important things. If you don't know these, you can't trade. If you don't know these, you can't trade at all. Placing a trade, lots and pips, explain. You need to know what a lot size is and what a pip is. If you don't, then you won't be able to trade. And then risk to reward. Those are the biggest things right there. So this is the emphasis. Everything is important here, but I'm just, you know, putting an emphasis on this. Technical analysis, trading with the trend, time frame mastery, multi-frame mastery, building a trading plan, focusing on one step. There's so much here. So watch this video, watch the entire trading masterclass, guys. That's gonna be your homework, right? So again, I hope you guys are taking notes, right? This is 13 minutes in the video, 14 minutes in the video right now, but I hope you guys are taking notes, right? And writing down everything that we have here so that you guys can take this serious. Because at the end of the day, if you guys treat this like a hobby, you're gonna get paid like a hobby. If you treat trading like a business, like a profession, you're gonna get paid like a business or like a profession, which gets paid a full-time income, right? So this is super important. I'm putting extreme emphasis on this. But again, let me drag in my Discord back into the main, or not the Discord, but the app, of course. Back in here. Again, biggest things, you guys could check out the start here section. Again, you don't really have to check this out because you guys are already watching this video. Rules, super important. Legal disclaimers, not financial advice, of course. No one here is a financial advisor. Educational resources, you got the FX course that I just went over. This is separate. There's a core strategy for TXT, Vault, indicators that you could add onto your trading view, live sessions. Again, these are the weekly schedules that we have right now. Put these in your calendar. Put them in your calendar. So number one, go through the academy. Put it as homework. Number two, set these in your calendar and hop on at least two of the four sessions a week. If you can hop on them all, you can hop on them all. Fantastic. Over here we have an Ask a Coach section. You could come in here, you could ask a question specifically for questions. And John, not Nads, or myself, or anyone else that is a moderator will be able to answer for you. So you have your own mentorship group, really. Not Nads AI, very important as well. Do not get scammed by a fake Nads. She'll be one of the onboarding. We also have Shania. So we have Nads and Shania. Those are the two people that are helping out the community, and they're doing onboarding calls. So if you guys want to schedule a one-on-one onboarding call with them, if you guys haven't already got on a call with them, you guys can reach out to Nads or Shania in the chat and ask to set up an onboarding call. And that onboarding call is going to be a complimentary one-on-one game plan call, going over your goals, going in depth of everything you need to make your first 10K, 20K, or 50K a month, whatever your goal is with trading, of course. Scam alert, again, we already went over this. Don't get scammed by fake us. You're gonna get messages right off bat. It's already gonna happen. Again, global trade chat, come in here, introduce yourself, whatever. Don't be afraid. And then we have, of course, the trade idea section. Come in here. Notifications, guys, remember, notifications, put them on. Global trade chat, if you're really, really serious, put them on too. If you want to at least do mentions, at least bare minimum do mentions. And then trading results, come in here, check it out, see the other people winning. Come in here every day, man. I would put the notifications, I would put these all on, to be honest with you, all messages on, so that you guys could stay involved. Right, newsletter FX, this is just news letters that are dropped in there for whatnot. But I'm super excited to have you guys inside of Trade by Design, inside the community. Again, it's very important that you stay connected with the person who got you set up, whether it's me, whether it's one of the leaders, whoever got you involved in the community. It's very important that you stay in contact with them. Guys, again, this is a super private community. We want to keep a tight circle here. If we had hundreds of thousands of people in here, I would say, it's way harder to make money because everyone's trying to take the same trades, everyone's on the same page type of timing. But since we only have 1,000 close individuals, we're able to really, trade like the banks and trade the, in a way to get our piece of the pie. Guys, $6 trillion. I think it's at $7 trillion now every single day that's going around the markets, and you're telling me that you can't even get $1 million off of it? Yeah, it makes no sense. Biggest market in the world, bigger than real estate, bigger than stocks. So take advantage of it. With that being said, get back to the person who sent you this video. Let them know your thoughts. Let them know you're excited. And let them know if you have any questions as well. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. I drop a ton of value on this page as well, so you guys can keep your mindset sharp, keep your mindset good to go in life, in everything in general. So keep that in mind, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.